have been toying around with the idea of vlogging. I don't know. Hey friends, I just wanted to quickly show this clip of us putting in our new range hood. We did this probably, I don't know, maybe a month ago. But I wanted to show this in this video because we are also getting some more kitchen upgrades and I thought it would just fit nicely. I was going to try to save like all the little clips and put it in one video, but it's just not going to work out that way. We are picking up Liam. There are speed bumps. And it's been really good. Also, that truck's really loud. Let me just... It is 61 degrees. 61. I know I'm complaining. Or it sounded like I was complaining. I'm not really. I mean, it's okay. But look, I don't like hot weather. I like it cold. I like it cool. We live in North Carolina and it gets pretty hot here. Not as hot as some other places. But I mean, still triple digits. And we have like fall for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's starting to rain though, and I think it's supposed to get super cold and it might snow. But we never get snow. We get like maybe, well, does she not know who I am? There's a new person announcing the kiddos. They might not recognize me because I look like a human. Oh, no, she knows me. She said, Liam. Normally he's not necessarily old enough to sit up front, but we live literally 2 minutes away from the school. Doesn't it just make you sad seeing everybody in masks? Like, I get the purpose of masks, but it just makes me sad. There you.
All right. Hi.
Hi.
Y'all have a good evening.
You too. Hey, buddy.
Why is he recording? Are you doing a vlog?
I'm trying to. Did you see that on?
I'm a little mad.
What happened? You didn't get your stuff, did you?
Nope.
Oh no!
She's going to give it me tomorrow morning, and as soon as I leave, she's going to go get it. So, yeah.
Why didn't they give it to you today?
Because they had a lot of work going and stuff.
Oh, the
Plus,
worst.
they didn't even try. They're like, I'll get you it. I'm sorry, sweetheart, and stuff like that. But they never got it.
You want to tell everybody what you're talking about?
No. I said already.
So, Liam has points. He went to the school store and he ordered stuff from the school store. And he has been trying to get his stuff all week. All week. And
Almost 2 weeks.
And I don't know why they have not got his stuff to him yet.
Yeah. And when I walk in, guess what I see?
What?
My bag empty.
Oh no.
My bag was empty. And his bag was full.
What? So he got his stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, the worst.
We're still all friends.
You're still friends?
We're still friends, but not really.
Well,
we only meet that stuff.
You know, sometimes there's those people that you can like have at school that you associate with and that you talk to, and like they're cool at school but nowhere else. Like you don't talk to them on the phone, you don't hang out with them outside of school. So and it's okay to have those kind of people.
Yeah.
What did we say about friends require trust? And if you can't trust somebody, then
Well, we started to make a Zoom link. We were going to invite our friends and stuff and make a Zoom thing. And then we'll tell her the code and stuff. And yeah.
Okay. Is she pretty?
No.
What? Gotta get your room cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna record for as long as I can before something dies. So you remember how I told you that it might rain, or it was raining a little bit, and that it was like 61 degrees and it was kind of warm, but then it might snow? Well, keep some frozen strawberries and bananas, sometimes for smoothies, but realistically more like for Finn to eat, because I have not quite gotten down the technique or recipe for a good smoothie. So we have this little guy, and you put the whatever you want inside of here, and then he eats it, you know. Also, my fingernail's not dirty. Fingers are not dirty. It is stain from the shelves we are making, and it will not come off. It's a gray stain. Okay, so let's do a blueberry, and they're already washed. A blueberry and a banana. So you put little frozen bits, but you can manipulate them and shove them down in here. Okay. Hey! And another blueberry. I'll shove it down in there, and then you squeeze the top. Okay, guys, he seriously loves bananas and blueberries. He is such a fan. I wanted to share my kind of, I don't know, I guess my breastfeeding journey, because I know that a lot of people want to breastfeed. A lot of people are breastfeeding, but guys, it's really hard, and it's totally different from one kid to another, for me anyway. But I don't have time to share that right now. So in my upcoming video, it's a laundry motivation video. I thought I would just kind of talk about it more in depth as a voiceover in that video. So if you would like to see that, make sure that you are subscribed and you get notified whenever I upload that video. On this night, we were having family over, and I was cooking pork chops and a couple of chicken breasts in the Instant Pot. Y'all, when I was trying to record just this video, first of all, Finn was being way too loud to just keep it in there, but I was talking, and I kept calling it the dang crock pot. Anywho, so first you add your olive oil, sauteing both sides of the pork chops and the chicken. You deglaze the bottom of the pan with water, so you just add a little extra water and then scrape, scrape, scrape. and leave that in there, and then add your meat back in. And then I put a little bit of the garlic and onion seasoning and some more garlic powder, and then I just combined my barbecue sauce, the Lowry's honey bourbon sauce that I had, mixed it together and just kind of layered it. The recipe also called for like 1 extra cup of water, so I just added water to the sauce bottles and just poured it in there just for the additional flavor.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me.
Whatever liquid that you have, make sure that it's at the same level, if not just a tad bit over whatever is in your Instant Pot for it to cook properly. And I just set it for 5 minutes. So you saute both sides and then pressure cook for 5 minutes, and that's it. Super easy. And then my sister made my sisters made macaroni and cheese, and my aunt and cousin brought some corn and salad. It was really good. It was a really good meal. We enjoyed it. We like to do family dinners at least once a week. Sometimes it doesn't happen like every single week, but we're a pretty close family, so we like to get together and catch up and stay close.
Playing games, no, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost stayed, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a
We're getting in the refrigerator.
Ryan's on his way home, hopefully. And we got a new refrigerator, and we're super excited.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got
Home projects, huh? So we didn't measure this refrigerator. We thought that it was going to slide right in, and it would have. It was just like the slightest bit too tall. We had to cut off this cabinet, which is okay because we eventually want to replace the cabinets anyway. And I was just honestly wanting to take that part out. So, I mean, it was okay. So we had to take it out, and it just slid right in and fit perfectly after we took the bottom shelving off.
With no cares, we can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't want, chasing all that we don't have, all the way.
Okay guys, so that is the new refrigerator. We're so happy with it. I love it. Okay, here is one more satisfying clean with me. This thing is disgusting. So I just took it all apart, took the fabric cloth off, and threw it in the washing machine and scrubbed his little jumpy thing. I don't even know what this is called. It's not really like a jumpy thing, but he jumps in it. So anyway, it got a good clean, and I actually finished this part up the day that I was doing the laundry motivation video. So that is coming up next. I hope you subscribe and stick around because we got more kitchen projects to do. I have totally cleaned out my Monica closet. Lots of things, so please hit the subscribe button, stick around if you like these kind of videos, or if you're just curious and want to see what I am doing in my home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.